go!
Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics.
मुझको क्या हुआ है?
To the latest hits.
बंटी और बबली.
Local news and events happening around town. Giveaways and lots of masti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 99.5 FM with your hosts, Vanchika, Sushil, and Sandeep. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Namaste Radio.
Navigating the complex world of health insurance can be frustrating. So why wait? Call an expert today. We present to you Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage. Call them today and get a health plan that fits the way you and your family lives.
Simple Choice offers affordable health insurance for you and for the people you love. Simple Choice will make this easy for you. They will assist you through the process of selection and utilization of your benefits. Simple Choice provides excellent service.
Want to learn more about individual plans, Medicare, dental, vision? Call Simple Choice today. Get a head start on your 2022 health insurance. Open enrollment for 2022 has already started.
Visit www.simplechoiceib.com/namaste or call 832-626-7791. That's 832-626-7791. Follow Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage on Facebook and Instagram.
Teaching your child their Indian language helps connect them to their roots and helps strengthen their cultural identity. Know Your Lingo teaches your child their Indian language and traditions with confidence and helps your child stay connected to your Indian culture. They provide one-on-one online classes with certified instructors and provide expertly designed curriculum in a safe and friendly environment. Call 281-909-4380. That's 281-909-4380. Sign up today using promo code Namaste and get a $99 monthly package for only $49 a month. 281-909-4380 or visit them at knowyourlingo.com. Follow Know Your Lingo on Facebook and Instagram.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Diwali. To celebrate, we are bringing back the Pumpkin Spice Facial per your demand as the facial of the month in November. Many more deals and gifts are available to give you the much-deserved me time.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please call 281-646-0100. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for latest updates.
Vision 2030. Join the Sankara Eye Foundation movement to perform 1 million free eye surgeries annually by 2030. Donate $1,000. Become a founding donor of any Vision 2030 hospital projects, Guntur major expansion, Bihar completion, or any upcoming projects. Leave a legacy. Call Murali at 408-425-1268. Again, 408-425-1268. Or visit giftofvision.org.
The heat is on. Chili chicken, gobi Manchurian, all your favorites, sizzling fresh at our lanes. This is the summer of new hopes and new beginnings. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at our lanes. Celebration meals are always a breeze when you bring your family to Arling's Chinese. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at Arling's. Halal menu available. Visit arlingschinese.com.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
3, 2, 1.
Namaste. You're tuned in to Namaste Radio.
Namaste Radio.
That's right. That's right. Good morning, everybody. This is Namaste Radio, which comes every Saturday at 10 a.m. right here on 99.5 FM, which should be your favorite radio dial in your car. And you should be tuning in every Saturday at 10 a.m. right here for Namaste Radio. Don't forget, you can also listen to us online anywhere in the world at namasteradiohouston.com. Download our app, available on iPhone and Android products. Just go to the Apple App Store or Google Play for Android and type in Namaste Radio. You'll find our app. And any Alexa-enabled product, just say, hey, Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live. Catch the show there. And watch us live, our beautiful faces, on our Namaste Radio's Facebook Live. Don't forget to like the page also. And follow us on Instagram, Namaste Radio 3. Plenty of ways to hear the show and also even watch the show. That's how we do it here at Namaste Radio. Good morning again, everybody. Hope everybody's had a great weekend so far. My name is Sandeep. And today I'm joined by Aap Sabki favorite Vanchika. And a very, very special surprise and a good start to this Saturday because we have Houston Gahiro Sushil in the building with us. What's up, guys? Good morning.
Good morning and namaste, 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 everybody.
Yes.
Good morning, namaste, namaste, namaste. मेरी तरफ से और Spider-Man की तरफ से.
Spider-Man, yes. So go on our Facebook Live, see how we have Spider-Man in the building.
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
E-Spider-Man.
It's not Spider-Man, it's
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. And आप सबको जो हमें 99.5 FM पे सुन रहे हैं, आप सबको good morning and जो हमें Facebook Live पे सुन रहे हैं, उनको तो special good morning because आप बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. ये बहुत ही wise decision है that you go to Namaste Radio's Facebook page and listen to us. So good morning.
That shows you're tech savvy.
Yes, and special shout out to Ashok uncle listening to us all the way from Baroda, India. Woo!
Nice.
Oh, Ishok.
Ishok.
Thank you, uncle, for always supporting, and to everybody watching us, hearing us. Thank you. And आज इसी के नोट पे kick start करते हैं अपना ये show.
That's right. So a lot of great things happening today. Lots of fun stuff. So keep it locked here. We've got some great giveaways coming in the next hour. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. But kicking off today's show, kickstart to it, this part right here, top of the hour, start of the show, is brought to you by Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage. You can also go on our Facebook and even Simple Choice's Facebook and see that LaQuinton was in the studio with us last week. So check out that video. It's also on our YouTube page for Namaste Radio. And, for your health insurance, it's very, very important. We will tell you why. Coverage for you and your family with new affordable plans. And you can save lots and lots of money with Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage. Call them today at 832-626-7791. And their website is very, very easy. It's Simple Choice IB. That's simplechoiceib.com/Namaste. simplechoiceib.com/Namaste. 832-626-7791. And not only are they saving you money on insurance, he's also doing a very, very huge giveaway.
Absolutely, he
in
is.
the next couple of weeks.
He is. And last week when he was here, he did 2 giveaways, big giveaways, and he shared some really important information. So like Sandeep said, go check out that video if you missed it, and you will see all that information. And the big giveaways is for the upcoming Texans game on November 28th. And this amazing place that we all love to go is the Houston Zoo. So he's giving away tickets for that. And the only thing, it's so easy. All you have to do is go to simplechoiceib.com/namaste and register. I mean, इससे ज़्यादा और easy क्या हो सकता है, right?
Very
it's
easy.
the easiest thing.
It's very easy.
So Simple Choice is the place where you want to reach out about all those health insurance needs, because ACA, enrollment has started for healthcare for next year. Medicare enrollment is going on, so reach out to them. Their number again is 832-626-7791. And follow Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage on Facebook and Instagram. And Sushil, now that you are here today, tell us something. Why is health insurance so important? I know you are in the health industry, so you always talk about it. Why is it so important? And give us some good answer, okay?
Good. You want my personal opinion, or you want the right opinion?
We want the right opinion
Okay.
for everybody listening out
Okay,
there.
so it's going to be a little bit long answer. Personal एक opinion की तरफ से, and in terms of healthcare. So being in healthcare, I've seen a lot of times, बहुत लोग, especially in हमारी देसी community, I've seen a lot of people don't get insurance. And the thing is कि भाई पराठे खा लिए, everything is fine. It's वो पुरानी generation में वो concept नहीं है health insurance का. So everything is fine, right? So if you don't know what's going on in your body, everything is fine. So what happens is when something happens, जब बॉम्ब फटता है और फिर आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, and then when you get that big bill, you don't have insurance, so you have to pay off for all the tests, medications, follow-up visits, and you don't have insurance, so you get a big bill that you have to pay out of your pocket, obviously, and then you have now a pre-existing condition. So don't wait for those days, because that's what insurance is there for, is when something happens to you, you are covered. And human body is made in such a way that down the line, something or the other will happen. If a natural calamity won't kill you, something else will kill you.
हमारा देसी खाना, our food.
ठीक है?
That's for sure.
So something will get you. And we do have, human body is made in such a way कि, we generate cells, right? So DNA वगैरह जो cells generate होता है, and there will be a time when you will generate faulty cells as well in the body. But that's the natural process of body. That's why I said if nature doesn't kill you, your body will kill you. So like cancer is a body phenomena. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's not but it's it's an age-old disease. So that's what's going to happen. So insurance law, I know a lot of young people don't have these there's a lot of complications yet, but it doesn't mean that you should not get it. God forbid something happens to you, you're covered. So I always say that definitely get it.
In case of emergencies.
Exactly. And there's different variety of health insurances that are available right now, from HMO to PPO, how much you want your deductible to be, how much you want your limitations to be. So if you're young, you're less prone to disease, so get more in terms of preventive care. That's what I always say.
Wah.
Rather than hospital care. But as you grow older, get more in terms of hospital care.
Yes. Mr. LaQuinton, if you're listening, you have a sales agent right here for your company, ready to talk to people about how important health insurance is.
So since I'm in the field of dentistry, I can tell you that much. I mean, we all have dental work that needs to get done. I had it. My wife had it. I mean, I know so many friends who have it. And I know a lot of people who come into my offices for dental work and they don't have money or insurance to pay, and they cry. Please help, please help.
He says you're hired.
से help करूं?
Mr. LaQuinton says
He says you're hired. You are hired.
नहीं, और मैं उनको कहाँ से help करूं? They need full mouth restorations and they don't have insurance or money to pay. मैं कहाँ से help करूं?
That's
I mean,
right.
I can't. My doctors don't work for free.
That's
Right?
right.
Yeah.
So that's why go get that insurance and follow Simple Choice on Facebook and Instagram and get all that information. Thank you, Sushil. We'll get into our first song. है ना, Sandeep? Anything about Rohit Shetty movie is कुछ भी होता है,
सबसे आगे रहे,
जो भी
chewing
होता
gum.
है वो धमाल होता है. एंड उससे मुझे याद आया, हम बाद में बात करने वाले थे, बट बिफोर वी टॉक अबाउट सिंघम एंड वी विल टेल यू व्हाई वी प्लेड द सिंघम सॉन्ग, सूर्यवंशी Sandeep, did you watch it?
No, I still haven't had a chance to see it.
Just
yet.
like your dad. Last night he was saying, right?
So
What, he hasn't seen it?
Suryavanshi released in theaters after what, almost 2 years,
18
right?
months.
18
Yeah,
months,
yeah.
almost 2 years. And Sushil and I got the chance to watch it this week.
Because Sushil forced Vanshika to watch that movie.
Forced,
like every
yeah,
movie
like
I
I know,
forced her to watch
you
it.
forced her to watch that, right?
That's
And
right,
in
that's
theaters.
right, that's right. And in theater, ये मुझे theater लेकर गए और मैं बड़ा, I was very skeptical before I went to the theater because I was like, यहाँ पे कौन है, ये क्या है, sanitize करो,
बच्चे थे,
हाथ ये
left
करो."
में बच्चे, right में बच्चे,
Yeah,
किसी और
but
के.
it was a good experience. It was nice to be back in a movie theater after such a long time.
Yeah.
Now talking about the movie, a very typical and amazing Rohit Shetty movie, a time pass, like go enjoy. This is my review. I'll ask Sushil about him. But there were some elements that Rohit Shetty touched, which I really firmly believe, and that's the India I grew up in, where everybody's there. There's no difference between कौन हिंदू है, कौन मुस्लिम है, कौन क्रिश्चियन है, कौन क्या है, से कुछ नहीं होता है. And that song was so beautiful, and literally मेरे आंखों में आंसू थे.
हम होंगे कामयाब.
नहीं, छोड़ो कल की
बातें,
बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर पे लिखेंगे हम मिलकर नई कहानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी. Yes, so that is the song. जब आता है तो बहुत एक beautiful feeling है जहाँ पे कुछ बड़ा बुरी चीज होने वाली है. Like, so everybody is running around and मस्जिद से सब लोग निकल जाते हैं.
स्टोरी काहे बता रही हो?
मंदिर में गणेश जी को उठाने के लिए कोई ज्यादा लोग नहीं होते हैं, तो सारे मुस्लिम भाई आके मंदिर में पंडित को हेल्प करते हैं गणेश जी को उठाने. सो सच अ ब्यूटिफुल थॉट रोहित शेट्टी पुट टुगेदर. सो kudos to that, to Rohit Shetty. Very good. Otherwise, great. Like I said last week, I loved Katrina Kaif's Tip Tip Barsa version with Akshay Kumar for sure. And end mein, and all of us know about it, when Singham enters and Simba enters, it was amazing. I loved it, and zarur dekhega movie. So Sandeep, jaldi dekho movie.
I will definitely watch. Very, very
And
soon.
Sushil, any?
Yeah, so मेरे रिव्यू अगर सुनने तो I mean I like masala entertainers. It's a very good masala entertainers, but ऐसा नहीं कि इसका सर पैर नहीं है. It has a very good plot, very good storyline, and the movie is very gripping. There's something or the other happening in every frame. New characters coming or something or the other happening, which is very good. Action, seen it. I think we've seen Akshay Kumar after a long time doing action, but they've taken action to another level, which I love it. Songs का मैं इतना fan नहीं था. There was no reason to make that Tip Tip Barsa Pani. I think that was just forced in there. But
Something ना, कुछ तो होना था.
But it's a movie I can watch again back in the theaters. I mean, among all the Rohit Shetty's movies, I didn't like Simba that much, but I like this one a lot, so I can go and watch it again.
Oh yeah,
That's
this was
my review.
definitely better than Simba for sure. And now अब मैं बताती हूँ हमने सिंघम का गाना क्यों बजाया, because I will not tell you exactly how it is announced in the movie, but the next movie, जब आप movie देखेंगे सूर्यवंशी, you will see at the end they announce the next what do you say, like the next version of Singham or the next series.
The next series of it.
So kind of, I think he's doing something like Avengers, like having all these super cops and bringing them together. So they announced Singham 3 and I'm so excited.
Oh, इसने
because-
देखी नहीं, why did you tell him? Oh,
no,
तुम सबको
they
क्यों बता रही हो?
announced. It's all over the internet, boss. सबको पता है. Thank you. But आप जरूर देखिए कि किस तरीके से वो announce करते हैं. So yes, Singham 3 is going to be out very soon after this.
After 2 years.
Yes. ठीक है, हो जाएंगे 2 साल ऐसे ही निकल जाएंगे. So yes, go watch Suryavanshi if you have not watched it yet.
That's right. Go see it. I'll definitely make a plan soon to go see it. Let's get into our next song here on Namaste Radio. Back with more Bollywood after this. Keep it locked in. This song from the movie Tanu Weds Manu, originally an RDB song, but that one was taken for that movie, Tanu Weds Manu, the first one.
So they just used it as is, or they changed it around?
It's pretty much the same.
Same.
Yeah, they didn't really change much to it, which was good. I mean, nowadays everything's being changed. Nowadays.
Yeah, that's
So,
true.
Yep, they didn't. This was done about. I think Tanu Weds Manu came about 10 years back, so they did it the right way.
And before I talk about why we played that song, from Tanu Weds Manu, because Madhavan the Kangna hai, but Madhavan ki ek news hai. We want to thank India House Houston for always supporting Namaste Radio, and we want to congratulate them on their 18th annual gala, which is tonight. And can't wait to party, can't wait to celebrate. But if you still want those tickets, वैसे तो I don't know. होने चाहिए नहीं होने चाहिए, they are pretty much booked, but if you still want to get in, contact 713-929-1900 or visit indiahouseinc.org/gala 2021. Follow India House Houston on Facebook and Instagram. If you didn't make it to the gala, make it a way to that so that you can at least support the organization. They're doing wonderful work for the community, and donate. You can volunteer, support any which way that you can, and give back to the community. So congratulations to India House Houston. And उसके साथ मैं बताऊं, R Madhavan की news है. So we played the song from Tanu Weds Manu, and R Madhavan and Surveen Chawla. What is her famous movie? Anything famous?
आज फिर तुम पे प्यार आया है. Right, that's the movie.
वो तो पुराना गाना है.
Hate story.
Hate story.
वो तो जाबाज मूवी का गाना है.
अरे यार, बॉलीवुड में आंख मारे रिमिक्स हो गया है, पृथ्वी बरसा पानी रिमिक्स हो गया, वो तो बहुत साल पहले रिमिक्स हो गया था.
So yes, Surveen Chawla from the Hate Story fame and R Madhavan are now going to be seen on OTT platform Netflix in a series called Decoupled. And if you can go check out the trailer. It was. Did you see the trailer? I saw the trailer and it was kind of थोड़ा हटके था. They are married for a long time and trying to get separated, but it's getting a bit difficult to separate.
How long?
आप क्यों हंस रहे हैं?
When you say they're married for a long time, how long? 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, कितना long?
I have no idea. I didn't look into that.
और अगर 40 years निकाल दिए तो separate का फायदा क्या है? Do just stay in different rooms.
So they're married couple who have fallen out of love and are on their way of divorce, but then the entire process of how easy or difficult it is and going back and forth with those decisions. But I thought the trailer looked pretty promising and looked funny. Obviously, Madhavan है और Surveen Chawla है, तो होगा ही ना. तुम्हें माधवन पसंद है?
Sometimes, not really, all the time.
Not all the time.
Some movies are good. I think the best one, I feel like, what was that movie where he trains? He's a boxer and then he's training.
Khadus Sala.
Khadus
yeah.
Sala. Yeah.
I think
something like that.
Acting wise, I thought that
Sala
was
Khadus or something like that.
Yeah. Something like that. Something Khadus.
Something Khadus.
Yeah, for me, I like that one. His acting was like, it's a total different. You didn't think that was Madhavan. It was somebody else. That's the only one I liked.
Totally different. Yeah. Turns out to be his daughter, right? No.
Daughter? No. I don't think so.
No. Sorry.
But yeah, she doesn't want to get training from anybody else. She just likes him, right? Like, but then he gets suspended because he's a psycho, like so aggressive.
Yeah, Khadus Sala.
Passionate.
I remember that one.
Yeah.
So now, I think we spoke about this, which was, the comics that while growing up, at least I used to read, which was Archie's.
Panchatantra.
Did you read? I never read any Panchatantra.
Oh, there was another one, right? Sabu and Chaka Chaudhary.
That I think we've seen series. वो बचपन में
Nagraj.
DD पे आता था.
Nagraj.
No. Did you know about Archie comic, by the way?
Another Archie.
हम तुम्हारे समय high school में नहीं पढ़े ना, हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़े अपन.
That is so wrong. He grew up in, like, not even in India. Okay, whatever.
I know the Archie story.
Archie's Nancy Drew. Nancy
Drew is a totally different author.
I was a bigger fan of Nancy Drew. But yeah, but I've read Archie's comics.
Okay. So yes, Archie's comic, and I think we spoke about this long time ago. Jab, they were just like rumors were there, but now it's confirmed that Zoya Akhtar, one of the best directors of Bollywood,
as per you,
she's directed
I like
some
her too.
great.
I really like her.
Thank you, Sandeep, for the first time. Thank you.
As per Sandeep as well.
Yes. So she is going to be directing the Indian version of Archie into a movie, and उसमें जो हीरो था आर्ची, of course, that's going to be played by I don't know if his name
South Indian hero है क्या?
नहीं, Agastya Nanda. नहीं यार, it's
that Nanda, Amitabh का grandson.
Amitabh Bachchan's grandson. That's right, Agastya
Grandson
Nanda.
is gonna act now?
His daughter's son.
Yeah, daughter's
Shweta,
son. Yeah,
Shweta
Shweta's
Bachchan.
son, right?
Yeah, Shweta Bachchan Nanda.
Okay, I didn't know he wanted to get into acting. I didn't know that.
Yeah. So he's going to be acting as Archie, and the other two, which was Betty and Veronica, are going to be done by Suhana Khan, Shah Rukh's daughter.
उसको भी एक्टिंग में आना है? तुम तो बोल रही थी वो नहीं आएगी.
वो आर्यन
No,
खान.
the son does.
And then the other, and दिल थाम के बैठिए.
ना, जानवी कपूर है क्या?
नहीं.
तो फिर दिल थामने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Sridevi Boni Kapoor's younger daughter,
I'm not a
Khushi
fan of her.
Kapoor. He's saying that now,
It's
but
a
when
Kapoor.
it's a
related to Janvi.
It's Sridevi.
I know, श्रीदेवी है. वो जो श्रीदेवी का ऑफिशियल टाइटल है मैंने जानवी कपूर को दे दिया है ऑलरेडी.
Oh my God.
They can only be one श्रीदेवी, right? तो श्रीदेवी की बहन नैन देवी नहीं हो सकती ना.
That's right. So yeah, Archie's, we're going to see the Indian version by Zoya Akhtar, Agastya Nanda, Suhana Khan and Khushi Kapoor.
That's interesting. Interesting to see these two.
I thought you were going to
actors.
say she's making Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara 2 or 3, something like that.
No, now there's a girl version. What is it called? Talash?
Talash, yeah, something.
Talash was a movie, dude.
Oh, no, not Talash. It's
Something.
Casper movie थी वो तो. Kareena Kapoor is a Casper in that movie.
Talash, no. What was the movie? It's named after a song. I know that for sure.
¿Quién eres tú?
Yeah.
That. He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या. सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Señorita. One mistake I made being born and brought up here, that I didn't take Spanish in school.
Oh.
And that country is on the border.
And I think being in Houston, we should either know Spanish or Gujarati.
There's 3 languages if you want to survive in today's world. Not in Houston, you should know.
English?
English, number 1. Second is Mandarin.
I can talk English.
I can talk English. Nice.
Yeah.
Second is Mandarin. Very important.
Mandarin.
And third is Spanish.
लेकिन एक जगह है जहाँ पे आप सीख सकते हैं इंग्लिश नहीं, गुजराती, हिंदी.
And I wish we had this when we were kids, but now these kids have a very, very fortunate opportunity to visit Know Your Lingo, and that is Lingo. Know Your Lingo. Definitely reach out to them if you want your child to learn Hindi or Gujarati. And there's many, many more languages coming from India very, very soon. So you can call them today at 281-909-4380. And the good part about Know Your Lingo is that your kids will be taking online sessions via Zoom. So it's a very safe environment, right? And, you can also get a free demo trial for them before you sign up for the monthly package. But the monthly package is a great deal. If you mention Namaste, the promo code Namaste, you get a $99 a month package for only $49. So
that's right. I mean, I have so many friends, and of course, no offense to anybody, that they're not able to. They understand some part of Hindi, Urdu, matra bhasha jo bhi hai aapke, but they're not able to speak it fluently. I was trying to be very nice. I'm looking at you, but I was trying to be very nice.
So
I'm trying to be very nice, and he's looking right directly.
Yeah, if you're seeing us live on Facebook, you saw we all pointed towards Sandeep. But you know what, Sandeep, we're still proud of you. You're still doing great.
हम सिखा रहे हैं इसको, लेकिन हमें ज़रा टाइम लग रहा है. तो Know Your Lingo में संदीप तू भी एडमिशन ले, जल्दी सीख जाएगा.
Yeah. Long story short, my friends last night, they mentioned a few words. They're pointing at me. They're like, let's see how this guy pronounces it, and they tested me. I pronounced them all the appropriate way. So.
See?
But now don't
tell
ask me
them
to.
you've been with me, man.
Don't ask me to do it right now. But
And Mr. Quinton Jenkins says, can he join? Of course
yes,
you can join Know Your Lingo.
KnowYourLingo.com or 281-909-4380. That's 281-909-4380. But most importantly, do not forget to mention Namaste Radio. So 281-909-4380. Back with more Bollywood right here on Namaste Radio. 30 minutes till we do the giveaway. So keep it locked here. Don't go anywhere.
Working from home? Cooking in the kitchen? Working out? Or just need something to listen to at home? Now listen to Namaste Radio on Amazon Alexa products.
Hey Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live.
That's right. Listen to us anywhere in the world on Amazon Alexa products. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit HabibiKitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio. Navigating the complex world of health insurance can be frustrating. So why wait? Call an expert today. We present to you Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage. Call them today and get a health plan that fits the way you and your family lives.
Simple Choice offers affordable health insurance for you and for the people you love. Simple Choice will make this easy for you. They will assist you through the process of selection and utilization of your benefits. Simple Choice provides excellent service.
Want to learn more about individual plans, Medicare, dental, vision? Call Simple Choice today. Get a head start on your 2022 health insurance. Open enrollment for 2022 has already started.
Visit www.simplechoiceib.com/namaste or call 832-626-7791. That's 832-626-7791. Follow Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage on Facebook and Instagram.
Teaching your child their Indian language helps connect them to their roots and helps strengthen their cultural identity. Know Your Lingo teaches your child their Indian language and traditions with confidence and helps your child stay connected to your Indian culture. They provide one-on-one online classes with certified instructors and provide expertly designed curriculum in a safe and friendly environment. Call 281-909-4380. That's 281-909-4380. Sign up today using promo code Namaste and get a $99 monthly package for only $49 a month. 281-909-4380 or visit them at knowyourlingo.com. Follow Know Your Lingo on Facebook and Instagram.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Diwali. To celebrate, we are bringing back the Pumpkin Spice Facial per your demand as the facial of the month in November. Many more deals and gifts are available to give you the much-deserved me time.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please call 281-646-0100. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for latest updates.
Namaste Radio. This is hot.
This is Namaste Radio and welcome back. हम आते हैं every Saturday 10 to noon on 99.5 FM and please feel free to watch us live in Studio Masti on Namaste Radio's Facebook page, and you can also tune into our show or our 27 music which plays on our apps with iPhone or Android. Download Namaste Radio, our website namasteradiohouston.com. And of course, like I said, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. That actually reminds me, Sandeep, last week we were all together partying and my brother, after 2 years, he's saying, "Tumhara app hai? Tumhara website hai?"
Yeah. That was funny.
And Sandeep and I looked at him like this, like, what?
It's okay. My brother, same day, my brother forgot that we have a show on Saturday. So he's calling me during the show. And I just pick it up and leave it down. And he's like, "Oh my God, I forgot you have a show." Yeah. So it's okay. Both of our brothers.
But we still love them. That's fine.
Yeah.
So, ये एक बहुत important organization है. And like we always believe that, being a donor, it could be, any kind of donor, eye donor, heart donor, किडनी डोनर, लंग डोनर, लिवर डोनर, एक बहुत ही नेक काम है. एंड संकरा आई फाउंडेशन presents the gift of vision banquet. And now Sankara Eye Foundation has been doing great work. It runs its own 11 Sankara Eye hospitals and supports 8 partner hospitals in very needy parts of India, and it's performed a total of more than 215,000 free eye surgeries in 2019 itself. So right now they are always looking for more people to be a part of it, more people to help this organization, because the more you help, it helps them do these free eye surgeries. And like I was saying, being a donor, donating any which way, आप कुछ तरह से भी ये चीजों पे help कर सकते हैं. That's amazing. We will be talking to them very soon in the next week or two. But I want to tell you all about the Gift of Vision Banquet coming up on Saturday, December 4th at India House, Houston. बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम इन्होंने लाइनअप किया है. They'll be talking about Sankara Eye Foundation, all the great work that they do. There's going to be a great musical program, Akhiyon Ke Jharoko Se by music by Sharda Ankuri and the team. And the festive season, this festive season, give that gift. So please join them. The website to visit is www.giftofvision.org/donate. You can, they do have a Facebook event or a Facebook page actually, which is called the Gift of Vision Banquet. So go look for it. Follow Sankara Eye Foundation on Facebook and Instagram. And we on our Namaste Radio Facebook, we do have an Evite link where you can go and RSVP for this event. It is again on Saturday, December 4th at 6:30 p.m. at India House, Houston. www.giftofvision.org. I have been fortunate to be associated with this organization for a long time, and मैं पर्सनली कह सकती हूँ कि बहुत 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 अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत नेक काम कर रहे हैं, और आई सर्जरीज, फ्री आई सर्जरीज कर रहे हैं. सो संकरा आई फाउंडेशन.
That's right. Let's get into our first song of this segment. Back with more Bollywood right after this. Keep it locked here.
रंग चढ़ा है, रंग
Song of the movie Suryavanshi, but I think what I like best about this song is it's good to hear Daler Mendy's voice after a while.
Yeah.
So, now his what is it? Is it his nephew Mika Singh, right? Mika's in every other song.
Mika is Daler's
Mendy.
Daler's Mendy.
Daler's nephew. But,
that was a good one.
Yeah.
Mika's Daler's Mendy.
How about now that we have Spider-Man here?
Spider-Man?
How's our...
No, but we have to introduce him, Sandeep. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Do you know the full song? उसका आगे क्या था? सबको Spider-Man तो पता है, उसके आगे क्या है?
Neighborhood is
Something
Spider-Man.
neighborhood.
Yeah.
Family neighborhood is Spider-Man.
Hillcroft में Spider-Man.
Speaking of man, how was our Mr. I haven't heard about him in ages. I wonder how he's doing. How's our mystery man?
He's on vacation.
Where is he? Where is he visiting? Where is he partying right now?
कुछ ज़्यादा ही नहीं लंबा वेकेशन.
Czechoslovakia.
What's he doing out there?
चख रहा है उधर. चखने गया Czechoslovakia.
Is he like trying to search for the new 007? Because Daniel Craig is out, right?
He actually no. He since Bollywood has reopened back again, he's got another job. पढ़ाई तो होगी बेचारे के भी इसको location hunting का job मिला है. सिंघम की shooting के लिए he's going and doing location huntings.
Location.
And plus he's working on एक Tiger मर के भी जिंदा है.
Tiger मर के भी जिंदा है.
Tiger जिंदा है part 2.
Tiger मर के भी जिंदा है.
They're shooting in some what was it? Prague, right?
Russia.
They were shooting in Russia.
Russia.
Oh.
Rusi.
Rusi.
It's another. How many Katrina movies are there? She just Suryavanshi, right?
Suryavanshi. Tiger is
then with your Vicky
dead
Kaushal.
and back. With Vicky Kaushal, she's getting married.
Oh, married. Okay.
And I was reading the news yesterday. They don't have time for honeymoon, so they're getting married and going back to their shooting.
Oh, going back to shooting. Straight. Right, because Salman won't allow the honeymoon.
शादी कर लो, honeymoon allowed नहीं है by Salman bhai.
Yeah.
Seriously?
So you guys saw Suryavanshi. I think you saw something else as well.
Yeah. What did you see, Sushil, other than Suryavanshi?
I saw you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I see you.
So you remember this movie that we saw, Sania Malhotra ki based out of Madurai.
भाग में का भाग.
No, based. भाग में का भाग भी है, but वो बहुत पहले देखी थी. लेकिन based out of Madurai, वो मीनाक्षी टेम्पल. He's like, what?
Pearland?
No.
Pearland, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we do have a Meenakshi temple, but I'm talking about the real Meenakshi temple in Madurai, in India. This was Meenakshi Sundareswaram.
Oh.
If I said that right. Very cute movie. Very.
Okay.
Romba
Sweet.
I'm mixing Tamil and Kannada. All my South Indian friends are going to kill me.
You're very quick.
So tell us some review about it. Chalo.
किसको मुझे बोल रही हो?
हाँ.
Oh, okay. It's on Netflix.
It's on Netflix.
Right? It's on Netflix, yeah. Netflix, dramatic, producer Karan Johar, made for Netflix.
Yeah, it is a Karan Johar production. That's what...
good movie.
Yeah.
Story नहीं बताऊंगा. Good movie. There's no point me telling the story. Go watch it. I mean, वैसे भी free है यार. अगर आपके पास Netflix नहीं है, तो go to T-Mobile. They're not paying us to promote it, but I'm still letting you know. Go upgrade to their Magenta Max Plus plan and they will take over your Netflix. Free हो जाएगा आपके लिए.
And then you can go and watch Meenakshi Sundareswaram. So yeah, watch it. It's a Sania Malhotra. The guy is new. मेरे को उसका नाम नहीं पता है, but a cute looking guy. Cute love story. Very उन लोग की arranged marriage है, and then the things they go through, and very cute. They support each other. So go check it out.
How to maintain a long distance relationship in a marriage?
Yes,
for a year.
Exactly. And उसके साथ I have a quick news about Vicky Kaushal now that you mentioned. So yesterday they announced the next movie of Vicky Kaushal and it's called Govinda Naam Mera जिसमें Vicky Kaushal है and उनकी बीवी बनेगी गोविंदा की hottie wife Bhumi Pednekar and his hottie girlfriend will be Kiara Advani.
I like Kiara Advani.
Why does this sound like Garwali Barwali?
I know, right? Yeah.
Oh, that was a Govinda movie, right?
No, that was Anil Kapoor.
So they were going to say that Varun Dhawan was going to play this role, but then it was now given to Vicky Kaushal, and I'm sure he's going to play a good role.
But I don't know. I don't know how many KJ movies he should be doing though.
But it is a Karan Johar production, and it's going to release in June, 10th June. Can't wait!
Yeah. That's right. And for those that have Hotstar or Hotstar, there's a new one that just came yesterday. I saw one episode only because then I got busy. But it's if you watched last year, Special Ops.
Oh, Special Ops is back?
Special Ops 1.5, but this is a story of Himmat Singh, how he becomes Himmat
Oh,
Singh.
so where is it?
Hotstar.
Hotstar.
Oh, it's already there?
It's
Hotstar.
there.
Okay.
I saw one episode yesterday. It was already very
We have been very busy
entertaining,
watching the originals. We're on season 3
Yeah,
already.
we've been
so-
seeing this vampire series, the originals, and I'm like hooked onto it.
Yeah, definitely.
Like for the
Stay-
first time, I have to tell Sushil, please, can I watch one more episode? Please, I don't want to sleep. I want to watch one more episode.
मेरे को
That's
सुबह
right.
टेंशन होती है because she wakes up on time and I don't.
I'm very punctual.
One
And
place.
I have a question for you. Sorry, before you say that. You said you were busy after first. Where were you busy yesterday?
Friend's place? Diwali party?
Are
I
you
was there.
sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, why?
Why were you
Nobody.
SC?
Huh?
What is
What's
SC? Sandeep?
Street
Huh?
Club.
What?
What?
What club?
Moving forward.
Moving forward, we'll get into the next song here, which is I have to have the daily dose of her every week, and that is the new song with Nora Fatehi, right?
Oh,
you
that's
got your
what-
Janvi, you got your Vicky, I got now's my
I don't
Nora.
have my Janvi, dude. I have my
Oh.
why.
Yeah.
Nora
Yeah.
Fatehi ka naya Satyameva Jayate ka gana.
But this song is brought to you by your favorite place on Highway 90 and Highway 6, Aling's Chinese. Visit them on Highway 90 and Highway 6, 281-242-0432. Thanksgiving's coming up. A lot of holiday parties coming up for the holiday season. Get your parties, office parties catered, weddings, birthdays, anything catered by Aling's Chinese. Very fresh, just like if you were dining in. 281-242-0432. AlingsChinese.com. Again on Highway 90 and Highway 6, 281-242-0432.
मुश्किल में है जीना तूने दिल ये छीना हो गई पागल देखो प्यार में ये हसीना मुश्किल में है जीना तूने दिल ये छीना हो गई पागल देखो प्यार में ये हसीना दर्द दिल की राहत तू धड़कनों की मन्नत तू हुस्न का दरिया हूँ मैं और मेरा साहिल तू सुकू 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 तेरे सुकू 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 नहीं मेरा सुकू 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 तेरे सुकू सुकू नहीं मेरा सुकू 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 तेरे सुकू 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 नहीं मेरा सुकू 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 तेरे सुकू सुकू नहीं मेरा
I heard something else.
If you
What
want
did
to
you hear?
look.
Susu, susu, susu.
Oh my God. We are on
Wow.
air.
No, I'm on the floor.
But this is how it is when Sushil walks in. He's in studio. हमारी इतनी मस्ती
Walks
होती
in, I'm
रहती है.
standing.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक
He's Spider-Man.
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 Your favorite Hillcraft का Spider-Man. Okay, so क्लासी डीवा सैलून एंड स्पा में स्पाइडरमैन नहीं है, उधर सिर्फ वुमेन है. So Ruby has brought some amazing deals in November and they are still on and दिवाली का उनके लिए बहुत 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 अच्छा स्पेशल है. पहले हम रूबी से उनका मैसेज सुनेंगे and then I'll tell you about the delicious pumpkin spice facial that I had the pleasure
I
of
like
having this
I like pumpkin spice latte.
Yes, but now let's listen to Ruby.
Hello, everybody.
What's
this
up?
is Ruby. I hope you all are doing well. I want to start off by saying or wishing all my clients who are celebrating a very happy Diwali and a happy New Year from me and my team at the Classy Divas Salon and Spa. Diwali is a special time, so we have special deals for Diwali available at the salon all month. Some of the amazing deals include free face polish with gold and diamond facial, or vaccine 25% off. There is a pumpkin spice facial as the facial of the month. Eyebrow tinting is $15 and face polish is $15. Apart from those deals, we have many more deals at the salon. All you have to do is just walk in and take a look at all the great deals that you can find. Or you know what? Make an appointment with me. Text me at 856-693-8970, or you can call the salon at 281-646-0100. We are located in the heart of Katy at 937 South Mason Road in Katy, Texas. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and like us on Instagram. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all at our amazing Diwali Mela at Lysandra this evening. So we will be there with our booth. So come and say hi to me. Thank you once again to Namaste Radio and all our wonderful listeners for your continuous support and love. We are very, very grateful.
Thank you, Ruby. We are very grateful to Classy Diva Salon and Spa for your continued support. Thank you so much. Yes, lot of specials at Classy Diva Salon Spa in November. So go check it out. I had the opportunity to go check out get the pumpkin spice facial, and honestly guys, जब उन्होंने वो pumpkin spice facial का जो mask होता है, जो भी होता है, मेरे चेहरे पे लगाया, मुझे इतना it smelled so delicious that I literally wanted to eat it, just like the pumpkin spice chai that you were going to talk about and the latte. I did not eat it, but yes, बहुत relax हुआ. उसके बाद I feel my skin has been glowing even more. वैसे तो मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ, लेकिन मैं और सुंदर हो गई. And thank you to Ruby and Nadia and Zubi at Classy Diva Salon and Spa. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
Only follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Don't follow them literally.
Don't be a stalker, guys.
Yes.
That's unacceptable, dude.
Really?
Yeah. तू मेरी नहीं तो किसी और की नहीं है. वो dialogue.
Ruby.
Ruby.
That was a good one.
तो संदीप आप कुछ कहने वाले थे.
Yeah, let me talk to you about now. We know 2022 is going to be a big year for movies. But not only that, this month actually, now the theaters are back, right? Now this month is a lot of great movies in the month of November. And first one you guys already saw. I still need to go see it.
Which one?
Suryavanshi.
That came out November the 5th. Second one you guys already saw too. I still haven't seen that. You were just talking about the
Meenakshi Sundareshwaram.
Yeah.
Well, that was on Netflix.
That's a Netflix, yeah. So, some are still going to be on OTT. Some will be.
Sure.
And if you don't get a chance to watch Suryavanshi in theaters, I hope you do, because the experience is better in theaters. But if you don't, it's going to be on Netflix in a month. So, December 5th.
December 5th.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. And for all you Shahid Kapoor fans, there's a...
Excuse me?
Excused.
Is this one called Kurup or Kurup?
Kurup?
Yeah.
Kurup.
K-U-R-U-P. K-U-R-U-P.
Kurup.
Kurup. Yeah,
ugly.
it means ugly.
Ugly.
How? In which angle is Shahid Kapoor ugly? He's so
How do you know
handsome.
you're talking about him? How do you know he's talking about him? Maybe
I have
it's somebody
no
else
idea.
in it.
I didn't say Kurup. You guys said Kurup.
Group.
Definition.
That's actually coming in theaters on November 12th. This next one.
I thought it was Jersey was coming out, right? He's making a movie called Jersey, right?
Yeah, I think this next year, yeah. And a movie that's coming out 19th November. I'm actually curious to see, I don't know how I feel about this cast, but curious to see how they're going to do this one. It's Bunty or Badli.
I saw that.
Shahid Kapoor is not in Kurup.
Is it?
Is Shahid Kapoor nahi hai?
No, it's Dalkir Salman.
Oh, I thought it looked like Shahid.
Yeah, he looks like Shahid. No, Shahid is not in Kurup.
Okay.
Why
does he look like? Is he a long lost twin or something? Look at it.
Yeah. No.
We have to ask Pankaj Kapoor.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel about Bunty or Babli?
I don't feel good about it. The reason is because I don't know why they replaced Abhishek Bachchan with what's his name, Saif Ali Khan.
Because Abhishek
and he
said
doesn't
no
even
for
suit
the
the role,
role,
dude. He doesn't even suit the role. His accent is so bad. Like you saw the trailer? He has an accent.
No, I didn't see the trailer. But.
I like Rani.
Rani is good, of course. But वो भी लड़का भी अच्छा है. वो शेरा, right? That's the guy.
Siddhant Chaturvedi.
Yeah, but Saif Ali Khan. Yeah. No.
Hey, उसपे पंकज त्रिपाठी भी है. So that's I love Pankaj Tripathi.
That was another flaw in the movie they did. They should have taken the original cast. Amitabh Bachchan को लेना चाहिए था. वापस पुलिस वाला बनने गया उसके बेटे को.
But the Bachchans don't work with Yash Chopra anymore.
Why?
Didn't you hear about that? I don't know. They had a fallout or something. So that's why there's no Abhishek or Amitabh.
I don't know. Or maybe after he passed away, maybe.
He
just doesn't feel
there
like.
was something in between about that. Yeah. But I feel after Hum Tum, Rani and Saif may be good too. Yeah. I feel.
They be good.
But
together,
I don't like
but
his
not in this movie. I think.
Yeah.
I
उसका वो पेट नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है.
मेरे को उसके accent ही नहीं अच्छी लगी.
Saif is royal, so handsome.
Another movie on that same day with 19th November is this one. He's back after some time. Kartik Aaryan.
Yeah, I don't like him.
Dhamaka, that's the movie name. And with this cutie, Mrinal. Thakur. She's in the movie.
He had to add the word cutie.
I think next time I'm going to go in theaters and watch will be probably Gangubai Kathiawadi.
Oh my god.
What about John Abrams? Satyameva
Jayate.
You'll go for that, na?
No,
I know you're going to spend that money on just for one song.
No, that I'll.
Kusu,
I don't have to spend money and go to the restroom and do it.
Go in restroom and do what?
Because you said the other word for it.
You said restroom.
Yeah. That's 25th November. And then the last one, I don't know how I feel about this one either. That's Antim, The Final Truth.
Yeah.
On 20.
I'm not watching.
I'm disappointed in Salman Khan. And I've officially decided not to be a Salman fan anymore.
Actually, no, that is not the last one. There's another one called, I think it's called, why did they put CHHORII?
Chori.
So why two H's and two I's?
Just an emphasis.
There's supposed to be another horror movie that's coming out.
I think
that is the one.
With that girl, right?
Nusrat
Bharucha.
Yeah, that's the
okay.
How do you like her?
I like her.
Like
From
Nusrat.
Pyar Ka Pachama, I like her and Kartik Aaryan actually.
He likes her. He likes even
Janhvi.
that Riya Janhvi to.
Who Riya?
Riya nahi.
Moti wala?
Inside Edge wala.
Which Riya?
Inside Edge.
Oh, that, yeah. Oh, no. That's
that's
the Punjabi
I know,
one.
yeah.
Punjabi
Richa
one.
Chadda.
Richa Chadda. And then he likes even Chitrangana Sen.
Dude, Chitrangana Sen, she looks like Smita
Beautiful.
Patil,
She's
man.
beautiful. I don't know about acting, but yeah.
She looks like Smita Patil.
And then you don't like Vicky Kaushal. I mean,
he's ugly.
Oh my god.
He's an amazing actor.
He's
though.
ugly,
But
definitely.
yes, those are your movies for November, and it's almost that time for the giveaways. Coming up next, but enjoy this song from the new movie that's coming out later this month, Anthem, right here on Namaste Radio. Get those phones ready for the giveaway in a few minutes. Keep it locked here.
तेरे सिवा पाना है क्या मुझे और खोना है क्या तुम हो तो अब जीना मेरा कैसे होगा यहाँ ऐसा हो तो अब जाने जाना मैं तो जाऊँ कहाँ मैं तेरा होने लगा हर कदम तेरे इश्क का हुआ करम हाँ होने लगा होने लगा प्यार होने लगा हाँ प्यार होने लगा
Watch Namaste Radio's Facebook Live video during every live show. Like them on Facebook and catch all the hangama happening during the show. That's right, Namaste Radio on Facebook.
Surgically enhanced to sound louder, better, bigger, because size really does matter. And everything's bigger in Texas.
99.5 FM K258BZ Sugarland and 99.5 FM K258DA Houston. Radio Dabang is powered by Discount Power. Go to discountpowertx.com today. The views and opinions expressed on the following program are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of RD Broadcasting LLC, Radio Dabang 99.5 FM, or its affiliates. Individual programmers are responsible for their own content. If you have concerns regarding the following programming, please send an email to info@radiodabang.com.
You're listening to Namaste Radio every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 99.5 FM.
24/7 on NamasteRadioHouston.com.
Navigating the complex world of health insurance can be frustrating. So why wait? Call an expert today. We present to you Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage. Call them today and get a health plan that fits the way you and your family lives.
Simple Choice offers affordable health insurance for you and for the people you love. Simple Choice will make this easy for you. They will assist you through the process of selection and utilization of your benefits. Simple Choice provides excellent service.
Want to learn more about individual plans, Medicare, dental, vision? Call Simple Choice today. Get a head start on your 2022 health insurance. Open enrollment for 2022 has already started.
Visit www.simplechoiceib.com/namaste or call 832-626-7791. That's 832-626-7791. Follow Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage on Facebook and Instagram.
Vision 2030. Join the Sankara Eye Foundation movement to perform 1 million free eye surgeries annually by 2030. Donate $1,000. Become a founding donor of any Vision 2030 hospital projects, Guntur major expansion, Bihar completion, or any upcoming projects. Leave a legacy. Call Murali at 408-425-1268. Again, 408-425-1268. Or visit giftofvision.org.
Teaching your child their Indian language helps connect them to their roots and helps strengthen their cultural identity. Know Your Lingo teaches your child their Indian language and traditions with confidence and helps your child stay connected to your Indian culture. They provide one-on-one online classes with certified instructors and provide expertly designed curriculum in a safe and friendly environment. Call 281-909-4380. That's 281-909-4380. Sign up today using promo code Namaste and get a $99 monthly package for only $49 a month. 281-909-4380 or visit them at knowyourlingo.com. Follow Know Your Lingo on Facebook and Instagram.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Diwali. To celebrate, we are bringing back the Pumpkin Spice Facial per your demand as the facial of the month in November. Many more deals and gifts are available to give you the much-deserved me time.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please call 281-646-0100. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for latest updates.
The heat is on. Chili chicken, gobi Manchurian, all your favorites, sizzling fresh out our lanes. This is the summer of new hopes and new beginnings. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at our lanes. Celebration meals are always a breeze when you bring your family to Arling's Chinese. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at Arling's. Halal menu available. Visit arlingschinese.com.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875. You're listening to Namaste Radio.
Mogambo, Kushua. Is that the Mogambo?
Mugambo Kushwa.
That's right. That's right. This is Namaste Radio right here on 99.5 FM. Every Saturday at 10 a.m. and 99.5 FM should be your favorite radio dial in your car. Listen anywhere in the world on NamasteRadioHouston.com, on our iPhone and Android apps. Any Alexa-enabled product, just say, hey, Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live, and watch us live here on our Namaste Radio's Facebook page. And this part right here, before we get into the giveaways, is brought to you by PSPC Bookkeeping Services. Call them at 281-580-8700. End of the year is just around the corner, so any of those questions, the New Year questions, or tax strategies, company formation, and startup, call them today at 281-580-8700. Ask for Pradeep or Sid. That's 281-580-8700. 281-580-8700 and mention, don't forget to mention Namaste Radio. 281-580-8700. So you guys ready for the giveaways?
Yes, I'm excited.
Are you giving it to me?
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
Oh, then
you
I'm
take
excited.
me with you.
Absolutely.
And you take me with you.
You come with us.
Absolutely, I'm excited.
That's right. So, few disclaimers before we do these giveaways. If you've won recently in the last 30 days,
don't call
please, don't call. Give someone else a chance to win something. And also, only please call if you are going to take the giveaway.
Yeah, because
So-
we've had people in the last couple of weeks who've called, but then they have not really messaged us on Facebook. So, you're wasting that giveaway which someone else
नहीं
can
बेटे,
take. So don't do that.
ये वो लोग हैं जो अपनी इंटेलिजेंस प्रूव करना चाहते हैं कि they know the answers and you're absolutely right. लेकिन do me a favor, go online, Google Bollywood quizzes और वहाँ पे आंसर करो.
No, if you don't want to, you don't care about the giveaway, you can just do it on the WhatsApp.
Exactly.
713-974-4000. But only call in if you are going to take the giveaway. So,
अभी जैसे मैं
and
हूँ,
then-
I mean, I know 80% of the answers, but there's so many times I don't play. I just WhatsApp them because मेरे को मालूम है अगर मांगूंगा तो भी नहीं देंगे ये लोग.
yes,
बड्डे लोग बड्डी बातें.
that's right.
ये लोग फिर
That's
भी नहीं
right.
देंगे मुझे.
But yes, you can WhatsApp us. Otherwise, if you are calling, please message on Namaste Radio's Facebook page. किसी और Facebook page पे मत डालिएगा, आपको प्राइज नहीं मिलेगा. On Facebook, go to Namaste Radio and message us there.
That's right. So, today's giveaways, we are going to give from, you said Habibi.
Habibi Kitchen.
Yes, you called me.
Habibi.
Bibi.
Yalla Habibi.
Yalla Habibi.
So, what are they going to win at
So the first quiz, whatever Sandeep is going to, जो क्या कर रहा है तू?
they're going to guess the song and movie. I'm playing an audio clip.
संदीप ये high tech हो गया. I'm seeing an iPad.
Yeah.
You haven't seen that yet?
Yeah.
I've been in the studio after a very long time.
So Sandeep is going to play a song and
Yeah.
you will have to guess the name of the movie and the song, of course.
Mhm.
And if you do that right, you will win a rice platter or a pocket pita, whatever you want to choose. I will let you choose, so you tell me what you want. And then you will win that from Habibi Kitchen. Free, boss, free. It could be falafel, chicken, lamb or beef. And stop fiddling with my phone, please. So now Sandeep is going to say how you can call and win.
That's right. So I'm going to play an audio clip. You have to guess the song name and the movie name. And if it's the right answer, you're going to hear this. Yeah. If it's the wrong answer, you're going to hear. That's right. So, yes, call.
But
get
लेकिन
your
अगर तू
phone.
आंसर अगर ऐसे करेगा करेगा तो people will know, right? Other callers are going to know that hey, that's the wrong answer.
Yeah.
But हमारे ह्यूस्टन की जनता इतनी स्मार्ट है कि
Yeah.
वो पहले ही कॉलर बड़े स्मार्टली बता देते हैं.
Exactly.
But नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी चले नहीं तो आई कैन डू टिंग 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 और
Yeah. You just do the sound effect yourself. Don't you?
ये फोटो
So-
जाने पीछे नहीं है.
Yeah.
ये अजय असर के कौन है?
713-974-4000 is the number to call. 713-974-4000. I'm going to play the first audio clip. If you know the movie name and the song name, call in 713-974-4000. Are you guys ready for the first clip?
ready.
Here is the first clip. If you know the movie name and song name, 713
I know.
Movie name and song अभी बता.
974
Off the air.
4000.
Habibi Kitchen, guys.
अबे आगे सुनते थे एक मिनट. हाँ, I got it.
No doubt.
I think so. लेकिन इसका फीमेल वर्जन भी था क्या?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
It's a duet.
Oh really? No. फिर. Oh, I got it. I नहीं यार.
Yeah. So if you know the song name and the movie name, call us in the studio 713-974-4000. 713-974-4000. What was that song name? What was that movie name? If you get it right, you get a free Habibi Kitchen.
Habibi Kitchen.
So I'm not going to win this time is because I don't know the name of the movie. But I know the name of the song.
How do you not know the name of that movie? Really?
Because I'm not a fan of the singer, by the way.
Okay.
That's why.
So that means you don't know the movie?
No, actually, I don't know the name of the movie.
So this was a clip again.
I know the song.
Song name, movie name. Call in 713-974-4000 if you know the right answer. It's an easy one.
Before I thought it was Tera Yaar Hoon Main, but that was a male version though. But then now I know what song it is.
That's right. So if you know the movie and song, 713-974-4000. Call us in the studio if you know that. In the meantime, let's hear the song right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked. It looks... Namaste Radio. Who is this?
Yes, hi, this is Chirag.
Chirag.
Hi, Chirag.
Yeah. Hello. So the name of the movie is, I believe, it's Buggy. And because Buggy.
Baggy.
Baggy
Wait.
1 or 2?
1, 2, or 3?
3.
There's 3
I think so it's the first one because it was sung by Atif Aslam, one of my favorite singers. And that's why I remember.
Are you sure it's first?
I don't know. but yeah, it was.
What's the
Buggy,
song
and
name? What's the name of the song?
This is Allah Mujhe Dard Ke Qabil Bana Diya.
दर्द के काबिल बना दिया.
Can you sing?
No, I'm at the gym actually.
Oh,
Imagine he's lifting itna weight and he's like, Allah.
Yeah.
Exactly. People will drive me crazy. Like, what the hell this guy is doing?
But ये जिम में हम नमस्ते रेडियो सुन रहे हैं, क्या बात है? I'm so proud of you. अगर आपने एक गलत भी आंसर दिया आपको मैं गिफ्ट
He listens every day, he said.
Oh, wow.
मतलब on the app.
7 days and Saljia's show is my first thing in the morning.
Oh,
very nice.
You guys.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thank
So
you
he
so much.
has to, even though the answer was, even though the answer was Boggy too, but we should still give him this one.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
So messages Chirag on Namaste Radio's Facebook page.
Yeah, you guys on my Facebook as well.
और आपको हबीबी की तरफ से मिलता है कॉफी.
Whatever. This was a fun with you guys. So.
Thank
you so much.
चिराग but do message हाँ और लेके जाना please.
चिराग अच्छा है वो मैसेज करता है.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.
So yes, that was from Boggy 2. You didn't know the movie name.
Baggy
right?
2.
Yeah.
Baggy 2
He's a
में
fan
कौन
of the
थी
singer. I'm
heroine?
not.
Huh? What? Disha.
Sridevi.
दिशा पटनी.
पटानी पत्नी नहीं पटानी.
Patni.
ऐसे कुछ नाम है ना उसका, right? पतानी
I don't know, is it
पटनी
Patani or is it Patni? Patni.
Patani.
पैंटनी.
Okay. So yes, that was
Disha Patni.
Osati. The singer was Atif Aslam, and
Yeah.
the movie was Boggy 2. So, are you ready for number 2? Are we still doing Habibi? Are we giving
Ready for number 2? Not yet.
that? Not that number 2, but yeah,
Oh my God.
yeah.
Guys, stop. कितने विचार आप लोग के इतने पवित्र नहीं है आज.
So yeah, I am going to share पहले सबसे पहले हबीबी किचन का थोड़ा information is
Yeah.
because that is also important. हबीबी किचन जैसे हम बोलते आए हैं बहुत ही delicious Mediterranean खाना है with उनका बहुत अच्छे से वो लोग take care करते हैं whenever you go there. It's located in Sugarland 16227 Lexington Boulevard. The number is 832-999-4161. Even if you're a vegan, vegetarian, hardcore non-vegetarian, सब कुछ मिलता है. And pocket pitas हो या rice platters हो, everything. So yes, follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. And for all your upcoming parties, do consider getting food from Habibi Kitchen. And Chirag, thank you. आपका message मिल चुका है हमको.
That's right. So let's get into. Are you guys ready for the second clip?
Yes. And what are we giving away for the second? Do you want to? Do you? ले जाओ. Free.
जो wrong answer देगा वो भी ले जाओ.
So we are going to give a $20 gift certificate to Arling's Chinese Cuisine.
मैं किसी को जीतने ही नहीं दूंगा.
Yeah. So the next one, if you get it right, I'm going to play another audio clip. You're going to tell me the name of the song and the name of the movie. And if you win, you get a Arling's Chinese $20 gift certificate. So again, phone line number is 713-974-4000. After I play the clip, if you know the name of the song and name of the movie, 713-974-4000. Here is your audio clip.
Wait, the first one I said, that's the song?
I was going to see if you noticed that. Yep, that's
That's the
right.
song.
So if you know the name of that song and the name of that movie, call us in the studio, 713-974-4000. If you have been listening
It's
Yeah,
one-
it was a song that you were
was-
talking about.
yeah.
I like that song a lot, by the way.
Yeah.
And you will win a $20 gift certificate to Arling's Chinese Cuisine.
That's right. 713-974-4000. Again, here's the clip. What's the name of this song? What's the name of the movie? 713-974-4000.
और इतना ही नहीं, मैं ये हीरोइन का नाम आई मीन द स्टार कास्ट ऑफ द मूवी, द मेन स्टार कास्ट, मैं उनका नाम ले चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking about it earlier today. So if you know the name of this song, name of the movie, 713-974-4000. 713-974-4000. Amazing movie.
It was a
Makes
good
you-
movie. And amazing
Yeah.
songs also, actually.
Yeah, I think every song in that movie was.
Yeah.
One of the songs is one of my anthems every day. I work out at the gym, wake up, drive, everywhere. So if you know the name of that song and the name of the movie, 713-974-4000. Give you another hint from what movie it's from. 713-974-4000.
ਉਹ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਸਿਲਕੀ ਜੇ ਵਾਲ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਕੌਣ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਕਮਰ ਤੇ ਟੈਟੂ ਹੈ ਕਮਾਲ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਕੌਣ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਸਿਲਕੀ ਜੇ ਵਾਲ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਕੌਣ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਕਮਰ ਤੇ ਟੈਟੂ ਹੈ ਕਮਾਲ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਕੌਣ ਨੱਚਦੀ
Hello, Namaste Radio. Who's this?
Hi.
Hi.
This is Sabina.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Sabina. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So do you know the name of the song and movie?
The name of the movie is Sonu Ki Tittu Ki Sweetie.
Okay. And the name of the song?
Oh, I don't know the name of the song.
Oh, you don't know the name of the song.
तो एक काम
Okay.
करते हैं, आलिंग का सर्टिफिकेट फाड़ के आपको आधा देते हैं.
So I'll play it one more time. You don't know the name of this one? Think very hard.
Oh, the one it's Tu Mera Yaar.
Yeah, there you go.
कौन?
मेरा यार है तू. Correct.
तेरा यार हूँ मैं.
Yes, तेरा यार हूँ मैं. Congratulations, आप जीत चुकी हैं $20 gift certificate from Arling's Chinese Cuisine. So to get that,
I know, take us.
Messages
You can
on
definitely
our
take us if you like.
Namaste Radio's Facebook page, and you'll get the gift certificate.
I'm sorry. How do I get it?
Messages on Namaste Radio's Facebook page. On Facebook, go to Namaste Radio and messages over there that you won the gift certificate, and you get the gift certificate.
Wow, this is so awesome. I had no idea I would win. Thank you.
Yay, congratulations, and thank you for listening.
Great job.
Why were you doubting your abilities to win? Is my question.
Because मुझे लगा बहुत सारे लोग फोन कर रहे होंगे and I didn't know I would make it through.
है आपके बाद लाइन में लोग खड़े हुए
आपके
हैं.
बाद सब फोन्स बज रहे हैं, लेकिन you won it, so you got it.
अगर आप वो that's what I'm saying. Yeah, if you don't want to go, then just take us.
No. I definitely want to go. I'm gonna
or I can give you the number. You can call and you can say these guys will come and redeem the certificate on my behalf.
No.
She's not doing that. She's
She's
going.
definitely going.
I was just giving you options, ma'am. That's
इसकी
all.
कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं है, ठीक है.
और जब आप जाएंगी जरूर बताइएगा आपको नमस्ते रेडियो कितना पसंद है.
Okay, I will.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you
Messages
so
and
much.
then you'll get the gift certificate. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thanks. So yes, that was one of your favorite songs, Tera Yaar Hu Main.
Yes. And
Not
you
to
know,
mera yaar.
I want to message Yogesh ji. Yogesh ji, firstly, thank you for listening. I know he won the $50 gift certificate last week.
योगेश जी लेके जाओ ना.
So आपको हमें मैसेज नहीं करना था last week. So last week the procedure was that you had to message Mr. Laquinton Jenkins directly, and the number again I'll tell you to message is 832-626-7791. That is for Mr. Yogesh. 832-626-7791. You should message over there and you will get a response from them.
मिस्टर योगेश सुन लीजिए आप सब कुछ खोल खाल के.
So yes, अभी जीती हैं ये $20 gift certificate. She said Sabina, right?
Yeah. Sabina, and then the first winner was Chirag.
Chirag,
Yes. So how about we give him one more?
One more,
Actually,
Sandeep.
we could give 3 more, but we're
दिल
gonna
के
see.
तुम्हारा दिल बड़ा वड्डा वड्डा हो रहा
इसका
है
नहीं,
आज।
इरफान का.
नहीं तो पहले तो हबीबी वालों ने दिया
वो
है
हबीबी,
भाई।
हाँ, you're right.
हाँ भाई,
You are correct.
मिस्टर उदय, मिस्टर माकी एंड मिस्टर जाफर,
Okay.
शेफ जाफर।
We're gonna do another audio clip, but where are they going? And where are they taking us?
Third one.
Where are they taking us?
Third one will be free chart. And now chart की जहाँ बात आती है तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
क्या बात है?
क्या आता है? बोलो लड़को।
Food boutique.
That is right. Nirman's Food Boutique in
Yeah.
Sugarland. Have you noticed all these 3 restaurants are in Sugarland?
Sugarland. Yes.
लेकिन जर्नी देखो, मेडिटेरेनियन से निकल के सीधा इंडियन चाइनीज, उसके बाद सीधा बॉम्बे स्ट्रीट फूड.
And they're all
And North Indian
connected
colleges,
to highway. They're all connected.
They
to
are
highway.
all I know, right?
They're all connected. The address is not Highway 6, but they're all connected. to
And
highway.
2 miles apart, I would say,
yeah,
right? Each.
yeah,
And yes, Sabina, we have received your message. You'll get your gift certificate in a day or 2.
So have brunch at Habibi, then have lunch
No,
at...
have brunch at Nirman's because you
Yeah,
know the
brunch,
chart
yeah,
part.
chart.
Then have lunch at Habibi.
Yeah.
Rice platter, pocket pita, and
Then have dinner.
that fine dining dinner experience at
The
Harling's
Alex.
with the cocktails.
जो भी एक रेस्टोरेंट, ये एक ही दिन में 3 रेस्टोरेंट खाएगा ना, you must be having some crazy appetite, dude.
बीच में भागो यार.
Exactly.
एक्सरसाइज जाओ, जिम जाओ, चिराग को देखो एक्सरसाइज
You're
कर
gonna
रहा
need
है
a
वो.
double workout for all this.
That's what चिराग
चिराग
2
गा
बार
नहीं सकता,
exercise
लेकिन
करेगा.
फोन कर सकता है यार.
Yeah.
जिम से.
So I'm gonna play the 3rd clip. Tell us the name of the movie, name of the song, and name both. Name the movie, name the song, and you will get a free shot from Nirman's Food Boutique. Again, the number is 713-974-4000. If you've already won something today,
Don't
congrats,
call us.
but don't call us. Yes. And so if you know the name of this song, name of the movie, 713-974-4000. Here is your 3rd audio clip.
Is that another? That doesn't sound like Atif.
No, wait, you'll know in a second.
अरे यार. Really?
Yeah. So that was your. That was your
I don't
third.
know the song, but I know from which movie it is.
I know the song also, movie, and the
Movie.
I know the
singer
movie.
also.
I know all the actors. I know the director.
And I don't like this singer as well.
71. If you know this name of this song, name of this movie.
I got the name of the song. I forgot the name of the movie.
713-974-4000. What is the name of this song? And what is the name of the movie? We'll give you a hint too. He just had a movie release last week. So, yes, 713 713-974-4000. What is the name of that song and what is the name of the movie? Last hint right
Yeah, if you were watching the Facebook Live, I already gave a hint.
here. Yeah.
You gave another cop hint.
You give another hint?
Yeah.
I didn't see that. What did you do? Oh, yeah. 713-974-4000. Name this song, name this movie. You get a free shot to
Nirman's Food Boutique.
Nirman's Food Boutique. And I'll give you another hint where the movie of that song was.
I don't know. I don't know about this one.
You'll know in a second. It's a surprise. A lot of surprises today. Yeah.
I already. Oh, now I know the name of the movie.
Now you know the name.
Yeah.
So what was the name of that slow song I played? It's from this movie. 713-974-4000.
Buzz me.
So yeah, what was it? I'll play that recording one more time. That audio clip. 713-974-4000. If you know the name of the song, name of the movie, call us in. And you get a free shot to Nirman's Food Boutique.
You are supposed to call in the studio.
A lot of WhatsApps
not on
coming in.
Facebook Live.
A lot of Facebook Lives, a lot of WhatsApps. But call in if you know. And How about this? If you don't know the name of that audio clip, how about we do a question? Like, give an answer.
नहीं वो WhatsApp वालों को दे दो.
Give it to WhatsApp?
हाँ.
Or just give it to us. We'll go first.
WhatsApp वालों को दे दो because I know we got like 3-4 WhatsApp on that, and then of course हम तीनों भी हम जाएंगे निर्मांस फूड बुटीक.
कितने का कूपन है? I mean कितने का?
फ्री चाट.
और एक चाट में कितने जन खाएंगे?
तुम
एक राज कचौरी कितने जन को पूरी पड़ेगी यार?
We may have a winner. Let's see. This person knows the answer to that. Namaste Radio, you're on air. Who is this?
Nasir.
Yeah.
Dean Shabi क्या?
Movie is Simba and Orapia by Rahat Fateh.
अरे वाह, इन्होंने तो सिंगर भी बताया.
Orapia is not
That's my favorite song.
Oh, किसके लिए गाते हो?
Is it same song?
Okay.
Orapia.
Oh yeah, that's right.
मैं तो तेरे बिन.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, you're
so
right.
Bin,
You're
yeah.
right.
Good job.
अरे जिसका फेवरेट गाना है उससे गवाओ ना.
Congratulations, you have one free chat at Nirman's Food Boutique. But आप Facebook पे जाइए, नमस्ते रेडियो पे जाइए and उधर हमें मैसेज करिए and you will get the gift certificate.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you,
Nasir.
Thank you.
दिन शाह को हाय बोलना बॉस.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you so much. So yes, they do say in Orapia now.
Yeah. It starts with
Yeah.
Then
You know what?
Tere bin was
Actually,
the
I thought it was Singham.
No.
Oh no,
One.
It was.
Then when you played Tushar
Kumar.
Kapoor ki आवाज में, then I got it.
Okay, how about this? For you two, since we have a little time left, for you two, I'll do a quick quiz and no cheating.
What are we getting? No, I ain't doing nothing
मैं तो
for
starting से नहीं
free.
देखा मेरे भाई.
You've gotten all your
I've
gifts for
done
the
too
year.
much. No, you didn't give me my birthday gift. Confused?
बर्थडे पार्टी में गिफ्ट लेके आने का.
मेरा birthday gift किधर है संदीप?
I brought my presents. Right? So.
Oh my God! Look at this.
ये तो पंजाबी बनी है.
Hey, where's my birthday gift? I didn't get one.
You didn't throw a party.
Where's my party?
You didn't throw a birthday party.
Sandeep, I am not doing anything for free no more.
Okay, how about I give you a pat on the back? There you go. That's something, right?
अरे वो तो मेरी माँ भी देती है.
दादी सुन रही हो?
Okay, this is a quiz between you two and no cheating, no looking at the.
एक काम करते हैं, एक चार्ट इसकी तरफ से हो जाए.
Yeah. Okay, fine. There you go. I'll give you a free chart.
I'm not sharing my vada pav with you.
Then do 2 charts, Sandeep.
Okay, 2. Both for your.
इतना तो कर ही सकता है यार. $6-7 की चार्ट पड़ेगी तेरे को.
But are you ready? I'm going to give you a quick question.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see who does it first.
Oh, are we competing with these?
Yes. Okay.
Go.
In which year did Aishwarya Rai win Miss World?
1992.
Wrong.
96.
No.
97. 94.
1.
94.
So 3 बोला तो I was supposed to.
You said 92 first, and then you.
I said 3.
I get the chart.
You were passing that. I was like, who's gonna? You're saying 6, 5, 3, 2. Okay.
So 94
Okay.
DDL. Oh, one
Second
more.
one. I expect if you don't get this, I'm disappointed, and
Is it
he
Sridevi?
will also be disappointed.
Sridevi?
Okay. Are you ready for the second one?
Yeah.
What was Akshay Kumar's job before acting?
Waiter.
Yeah, he got it. See.
No, he was even kung fu teacher.
नहीं, वो बाद में.
Yeah, no, he
बाद
was
में.
karate teacher.
But no, he was
He's
a
known
waiter.
as a
But
butler.
right before acting. Right before
No,
acting.
he was karate teacher in the
Call Akshay Kumar and ask
No,
him.
he was karate teacher in the morning, and in the night he used to do waiting. Wait
तो
staff.
बीच में क्या करता था?
सोता था.
So that means at night was the last job before he joined acting. So waiter was the job.
No, but in the morning he had a karate class. Then he
राजीव
went for
भाटिया said
shooting.
वो बटलर था तो बटलर था.
No, तुम दोनों cheater और cheater. I'm still winning the.
तू ले लेना चार्ट. ठीक है ना, एक बार तो मैं.
Yeah, you got one answer. You got one answer.
ले
So
लेना चार्ट.
okay, I'm about to call Nirman.
I eating Raj Kachori.
Okay. I'll send both of you.
निर्मल
on the way
भैया
home.
अगर ये दोनों आपके रेस्टोरेंट में अलाउ मत करना.
No, that was it. That was the only two.
ओए तो टाई हो गया मेरे भाई. टाई ब्रेकर तो कर.
Tiebreaker? Okay, let me.
ये तो
think
वही
real
बात हो
quick.
गई कि वर्ल्ड कप में न्यूजीलैंड एंड इंग्लैंड का टाई ब्रेकर हुआ है.
Okay, let me do. Okay, give me. This might be good. Give me Tabu's real name.
Tabasum.
Who's? I think he said. it.
No, he said Ta. I said Tabasum. Where is she from originally? Hyderabad. I got that answer.
Okay,
अबे सवाल में खुद जवाब भी खुद.
Yeah, that was a good one. That was
Really?
fun.
बताओ तब्बू की सबसे बड़ी उंगली कितनी बड़ी है?
How do we know? Okay. But that was fun. Congrats all the winners, all of you. We had Sabina, Chirag, and Nasir.
Yeah,
right?
Nasir. I have received messages from everyone except I'm waiting for
Dinsha.
Nasir to message on
Dinsha.
Namaste Radio पे जाइएगा please और
Yes.
कहीं नहीं जाएगा Facebook पे and message there that you
Right.
won.
And just want to remind everybody before we get into our next ad break that Know Your Lingo is right now, if you want to sign up your children to learn Hindi or Gujarati, And don't forget to mention the promo code Namaste. Get a $99 monthly package for only $49. That is knowyourlingo.com or 281-909-4380. Try a free demo before you sign up for the monthly package. But call them today, 281-909-4380 or knowyourlingo.com. LINGO, that's knowyourlingo.com. 281-909-4380. Back with more of Namaste Radio right after this.
Saruche.
Keep it locked here.
The most happening show which keeps you entertained from start to finish. Namaste Radio. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Namaste Radio Houston.
Namaste Radio Houston.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present you Habibi Kitchen, the most delicious Mediterranean cuisine in the heart of Sugarland.
Habibi Kitchen brings very tasty food that will give your taste buds a cultural experience. Prepared with fresh ingredients every day. All options available: non-veg, veg, and even vegan.
Beautiful outdoor seating in our covered patio. Visit Habibi Kitchen today, located at 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Call 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. Or visit habibikitchen.com.
Follow Habibi Kitchen on Facebook for specials. And don't forget to mention Namaste Radio.
Vision 2030. Join the Sankara Eye Foundation movement to perform 1 million free eye surgeries annually by 2030. Donate $1,000. Become a founding donor of any Vision 2030 hospital projects, Guntur major expansion, Bihar completion, or any upcoming projects. Leave a legacy. Call Murali at 408-425-1268. Again, 408-425-1268. Or visit giftofvision.org.
Navigating the complex world of health insurance can be frustrating. So why wait? Call an expert today. We present to you Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage. Call them today and get a health plan that fits the way you and your family lives.
Simple Choice offers affordable health insurance for you and for the people you love. Simple Choice will make this easy for you. They will assist you through the process of selection and utilization of your benefits. Simple Choice provides excellent service.
Want to learn more about individual plans, Medicare, dental, vision? Call Simple Choice today. Get a head start on your 2022 health insurance. Open enrollment for 2022 has already started.
Visit www.simplechoiceib.com/namaste or call 832-626-7791. That's 832-626-7791. Follow Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage on Facebook and Instagram.
Teaching your child their Indian language helps connect them to their roots and helps strengthen their cultural identity. Know Your Lingo teaches your child their Indian language and traditions with confidence and helps your child stay connected to your Indian culture. They provide one-on-one online classes with certified instructors and provide expertly designed curriculum in a safe and friendly environment. Call 281-909-4380. That's 281-909-4380. Sign up today using promo code Namaste and get a $99 monthly package for only $49 a month. 281-909-4380 or visit them at knowyourlingo.com. Follow Know Your Lingo on Facebook and Instagram.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
The heat is on. Chili chicken, gobi Manchurian, all your favorites, sizzling fresh out our lanes. This is the summer of new hopes and new beginnings. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at Allings. Celebration meals are always a breeze when you bring your family to Allings Chinese. Shake off the cobwebs and dine with us at Allings. Halal menu available. Visit allingschinese.com.
In a world where you have many choices, there's only one channel, one frequency. With our voices, our music, and our creative uniqueness. Namaste Radio.
That is right. This is Namaste Radio. And आखिर का 30 minutes बचे हैं. मैं हूँ वंशिका. आज है स्टूडियो में मैं of course वंशिका, संदीप and the Spider-Man Sushil.
Spider-Man.
What?
There's Spider-Man in the back.
Spider-Man.
I was like ये चौथा भूत कहाँ से आ गया?
The Green Goblin.
So yes, but एक चीज अगेन जो हमने शुरू में शो में बोली थी, सिंपल चॉइस इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकरेज. जरूर उन्हें कॉल करिए फॉर ऑल योर इंश्योरेंस नीड. बहुत उनके पास काफी सारे एजेंट्स हैं, लेकिन आप उनसे डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हैं. मिस्टर लक्विंटन वाज हियर लास्ट वीक एंड दे स्पीक योर लैंग्वेज टू. सो अगर आपको हिंदी में बात करनी है, गुजराती में बात करनी है, उर्दू में बात करनी है, पंजाबी में भी बात करनी है, जो भी आपको बात करनी है बात करिए. देयर नंबर इज 832-626-7791. Follow Simple Choice Insurance Brokerage on Facebook and Instagram. And they do have amazing giveaway for the upcoming Texan game. They are giving away tickets and Houston Zoo के tickets भी दे रहे हैं. So visit simplechoiceib.com/namaste. उधर जाइए, visit करिए and you can register to win these tickets. And for all further details also उधर आप जा सकते हैं. That's right.
That's right.
तो अभी आखिर के 20 मिनट बचे हैं गाइस. मुझे
मतलब शो के
हमारे नहीं, लाइफ के नहीं.
What, today's Doomsday?
Doomsday. Not today, please. Next time.
When next? In the next 1,000 years?
Yes. And I want to talk about this lady के बारे में जो मैं मैंने पढ़ा था. This is I
was waiting for that. I was waiting for you to say Sridevi.
So Sugarland's first female motorcycle officer.
All right.
So I was so proud reading this because usually ये जो motorcycles होती हैं काफी heavy होती हैं, and इस position का prerequisite था that she should be able to lift this 890-pound police motorcycle. But yes, we do have an officer who has been appointed, the first motorcycle police officer lady. The traffic officer Elizabeth Rees is the first woman to join the Sugarland Police Department Motorcycle Unit. Nice. Congratulations.
Just FYI, I used to own a motorcycle until somebody forced me to sell mine, and I'm not able to find. I had a beautiful CBR race replica motorcycle. Oh,
beautiful.
Yeah. Amazing.
Before.
That was my thing. So इसने पता नहीं कहाँ से deal बनाई वो.
So you got forced.
DJ के साथ, yeah, she gave it away.
Yes. So talking about.
So the reason I say मैं भूल जाऊँगा एक minute. Like you mentioned, there's a prerequisite that they should be able to lift it. By the way, motorcycles are very heavy.
Yeah.
When you sit on it, it's good. It's not very heavy. You can easily maneuver it. But when you lay it down and you try lifting it up, especially a 1000cc engine, उसका तो maybe 1200-1300cc engine होगा. So imagine how heavy the motorcycle is. मुझसे नहीं उठाई जाती यार. It's so heavy. So kudos to her.
Yes,
awesome.
So congratulations to her, and so proud to know this, and और ladies आएं और motorcycle उठाएं.
Really?
Yes, and there's another new rule for dog owners to follow when especially when they have their dogs outside. Texas में effect में आ रहा है ये नया rule, and ये law pass हो चुका है. It has to do with the weather conditions and all of that.
Thank
so
God.
Go check it out. You can be put behind bars right away. So as per this new rule, the police department does not have to wait for 24 hours to take care of that dog who is suffering in that cold, freezing weather
or
extreme hot weather. जो कुछ डॉग ओनर्स कई बार लोग बाहर छोड़ते हैं लेकिन एक्सट्रीम वेदर्स में अंदर ले आते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग इतने बेरहम होते हैं कि वो लोग उन्हें बाहर ही रखते हैं. तो उनको इवन एज अ नेबर इफ आई कंप्लेन which
I already have some people on my list.
Yes.
I know in living in my community.
So I will definitely, we can call, complain. If you ever see a poor pet being treated that way, you can call, and these people can be arrested right away. So be very careful before you do these,
Boss,
heart-wrenching things.
So just a quick thing. I'm very. This is a very touching topic to me. Animals, especially dogs. Since I have one. अगर आप Texas weather is not made for dogs to be outside or cats to be cats का पता नहीं मुझे. I have never owned one, but dogs I know for sure. The weather is not. This is not Alaska, right? So the weather is not. We have extreme heat over here. So the dogs are not made for outdoor weather. अगर आपको कुत्ता बाहर रखना है तो मत लेके आओ. ठीक है. Second thing is कि आप अपने बच्चों को बाहर बैकयार्ड में सुलाते हो, छोड़ते हो नहीं, तो why do you do that to your animals?
That's right.
So don't do that. नहीं तो मत पालो.
Did you know for the car that I have, right? By the one and only Elon Musk, there is actually a dog mode feature in that car.
Oh, really?
So if you go
the car barks?
Actually does. There is a barking sound, dude. No, but if you're going to a grocery store, you're going to a store anywhere, you just click the dog mode and it makes the climate in the car, for the dog.
So that you can go do your grocery
store without worrying about your dog.
Because a lot of times people have been caught leaving the dog outside in the car.
If it's cold outside, then it warms up the car.
And FYI, I hope dog owners know this, that dogs don't have sweat glands, so they don't sweat to make their bodies cool like we do. So if the temperature inside the car is 80 degrees, their body temperature is about 100 degrees.
So a lot of Tesla owners didn't know that, but I've seen it, the feature there. I don't have a dog, but if I ever did have one, then I would use that feature, right? But
absolutely. So that's a great information, Sandeep. And to everybody out there,
he just promoted Elon Musk too.
अगर आप के पास डॉग है या आप किसी के साथ बोलते हैं ना ज्यादती होते हुए देख रहे हैं, something that it's intolerable. Actually, it makes me really upset when I hear or see things like this. Please educate these people. Please try to help that pet and see how you can rehome. Don't send them to shelter, but try to rehome these pets.
By the way, shelters के लिए आपको बात बता दूं, from what I've learned and what I've heard a lot of times is if the shelter has a vet and if they find your dog to be even little bit of aggressive, which is normal in an animal, अगर आप उसको भेगर करते हैं, छोड़ते हैं उसकी, you are his family, remember that. So of course the dog is going to be scared, right? So jara sa bhi, if even a little bit, if they feel that the dog has a little bit of even aggressive behavior, they euthanize the pet right before next morning. So guys, be very careful.
Yep. Be very, very careful. And we had a special song request. We'll play it right now on Namaste Radio.
It's for Mr. Chirag.
This one's for you. While he's still working out, right?
डोले शोले बना रहा है चिराग.
रोज यही मांगू दुआ तेरी मेरी बात बने मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, मुझे खुद में घोल दे तो मेरे यार बात बन जानी. रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, मुझे खुद में घोल दे तो मेरे यार बात बन जानी. रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी. प्यार की बतिया क्या समझावा, जाग के बतिया जो समझावा, इससे आगे अब मैं क्या कहूँ.
Good song choice, Chirag. I think this was I didn't see the movie, but this was Shahid Kapoor, right?
Fata poster Nikla hero.
This is definitely Shahid Kapoor.
This is
not the lookalike. Who's the actor in that movie that's coming up?
Kuru pata nahi kya bol raha tha. But this is one of my favorite Shahid Kapoor song, and Ileana D'Cruz.
Now I hear she may want to be done with acting now.
She's single now.
It's good, right?
I know, that's true.
She was dating some Australian, right?
I knew that too.
Ding, 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 Sandeep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
प्रियंका की तो क्या हुआ? इलिनिया? इलिनिया क्या हुआ? Iliana.
Iliana. How difficult is Iliana?
I forgot her name. Iliana. Di Costa?
De Cruz.
She's Konkani, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I didn't know
Iliana
that.
is from Houston.
Second home, yeah. I know this.
Yeah.
I know this. Yeah.
तो कुछ कर भाई.
Working on it now. But yes, this part of the show right here is brought to you by Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center, board certified in nephrology, specializing in high blood pressure, kidney stones, dialysis, kidney transplant. They speak your language, so call them today and accept all insurances and Medicare and Medicaid accepted. 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Med Center Houston, West Houston area. 713-520-6875. That's 713-520-6875. Visit the website bosonhealth.com. That's BOSON health.com. 713-520-6875. That's Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal. Again, the number is 713-520-6875.
That's right. And साथ मैं आपको एक और जगह के बारे में बता दूं. And we want to thank Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple of Houston for always being there and supporting Namaste Radio. Visit them. चाहे कोई भी आपके यहाँ पूजा हो, कोई भी फंक्शन हो, गृह प्रवेश हो, कुछ भी हो, या आपको सिर्फ लाइफ में एक पॉजिटिव फीलिंग लानी है, आपको खुश होना है, talk to Pandit Pradeep Pandya ji at 832-466-9868 and visit Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple. It is located in Hillcroft in Houston, 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. Follow Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple of Houston on Facebook and Instagram.
That's right.
And इसी के साथ actually आज हमारा शो खत्म हो रहा है ना?
क्या बात कर रही है?
सिर्फ 10 मिनट बचे हैं.
नहीं, ज्यादा है.
10 ही मिनट.
13 मिनट.
13 मिनट और संदीप एक कॉफी के कप में पानी पी रहे हैं. छी.
Why? What's wrong with drinking water in a coffee cup?
Nanat to the cup. Lalat.
Water's healthy.
Disposable cup नहीं था यार.
Yes.
Water's very healthy. Why not?
Yes.
Water has 0 calories, brother.
I know. That's why it's...
No, I drink a lot. You know me. I drink like at least 100 ounces of water every day.
इतना तो मैं भी नहीं पीता. I drink about 84.
I drink 100.
100?
100.
Oh, then you know what? If coffee and tea is counted, then definitely I do more than 100.
Yeah, I drink 100 ounces of water every day.
Chai twice a day. I have to have that.
Oh, 3 cups in the morning and 2 cups of coffee.
3 cups in the morning?
Yeah,
big ones.
मुझसे पूछो ना, मैं रोज सुबह 5 कप चाय बनाती हूँ.
एक ये पीती है, 3 में पीता हूँ और आधा सिम्बा पी जाता है.
No, Simba is not allowed tea. He likes to think he likes it, but he's not allowed to sip it. I just show him the cup. I don't give him any tea. No tea for dogs.
Last night he was having black label.
Black label? Oh, yeah.
So his Nana dropped a bit, and he figured out a way to, reach
Was that why
that
he's so
ground.
hyper?
Enjoyed.
That's why he's very hyper, right?
But yes, ये हमारी बातें चलती रहेगी. I want to say thanks to everyone. भूलिएगा नहीं, अगर आपको इंश्योरेंस चाहिए तो सिंपल चॉइस इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकरेज को कांटेक्ट करिए. और अगर आपको हिंदी सीखनी है, आपको गुजराती सीखनी है, आपको इंडियन लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, तो आप knowyourlingo.com, राइट? दैट्स द वेबसाइट. उन्हें कांटेक्ट करिए या उनके फेसबुक पेज पे जाइए. एंड अगर आपको खाना खाना है तो हमारे सर्टिफाइड रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं. आर्लिंग्स चाइनीज क्विजीन, हबीबी किचन, निर्मांस फूड बुटीक.
Stop making me hungry.
एक दिन के लिए बहुत
भूख लग रही है.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपको सुंदर दिखना है, ब्यूटीफुल दिखना है, आप जाइए क्लासी डीवा सैलून एंड स्पा. विजिट देम ऑन फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम एंड यू कैन सी ऑल देयर अमेजिंग दिवाली डील्स. एंड दे हैव द pumpkin spice facial only for $30. $30 Tuesday in November. It is delicious. It makes you really relax and it gives you that me time. बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं. Go try it out. And और किसके बारे में बताना है? बता दो.
अच्छा, it gives you me time, not me too time.
Me too time. No.
Yeah. But yeah, and what else is it? Yeah, if you need taxes done, or you need those end of the year questions, right? All those like, what can I do for the year, or what can I do this fourth quarter, right?
मंदिर में जाओ, भगवान के पास जाके प्रार्थना करो, बोले हे भगवान सोल्यूशन दिखा. फिर वहां से फोन आएगा, टिडिंग, कॉल करो.
Mr. Pradeep Sulhan.
281 281-580-8700. That's 281-580-8700.
How do you know the number by heart?
I have to, otherwise I'm gonna get that slap when I go home. How dare you not remember my number?
Damn, आज कल की तारीख में भी बच्चों को पीटते हैं.
I also know Aling's number by heart.
Really?
ये Aling's बहुत जाता है या बहुत खाता है.
I wish I could go all the time.
ये दूर रहता है.
You guys are lucky. Cyprus. Whoever lives in Sugarland or in that area.
भाई घर change कर लेते हैं हम आजा. We'll go live in your house.
Really? You want to come north?
हाँ. तो आके हमारे रह ले. No problem.
Or you can stay in the first floor. We'll shift in the second floor. Feel free to pay the mortgage, all the bills.
I already have my room in that.
Yeah, you already
in the first floor.
Room, yeah.
But you always sleep on the. Yeah, sorry. मैं भूल गया. First floor यहाँ पे ground floor को first floor बोलते हैं.
Yes.
I get confused.
20 साल हो गए.
नहीं 20 साल नहीं हो गए दोस्त. होंगे. 18 हुए.
So today I'm going to try to go see Suryavanshi. Let's see if I can.
Suryavanshi.
Let's see if I can get time to go.
Yes. And thank you to everybody who participated. आपके messages आ गए हैं. All three of them. I am still actually waiting for the third one.
Nasir.
Nasir. Mr. Nasir.
Message on Facebook.
इतना तो मैंने कभी सुशील को भी request नहीं किया होगा. Message करो मुझे. I'm like, मत करो.
Don't message that much?
Yes. So, आज है 13 तारीख of November. Next week will be 20 तारीख. And 20 तारीख को संदीप आपके लिए एक स्पेशल शो लेकर आएंगे. So, yeah, मैं और सुशील और संदीप वापस यहाँ पे आएंगे उसके following weekend. And today's show was really nice and fun.
You bringing me back?
Yes. Bringing you back.
The week we come back, I think we'll have a lot of food in our system because that's a long weekend.
And a Thanksgiving weekend. Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
So
if you
from
see
my
a
side,
few pounds heavier than
yeah, right. From my side, stay safe, be happy, always focus on the positive in life, चाहे अपने में हो या दूसरों में हो. And दूसरों से ज़्यादा questions मत करो, सिर्फ अपनी ज़िंदगी में focus करो. So always be happy. And always keep listening to Namaste Radio.
And from my side, it's the right side.
We're waiting.
We're waiting.
Oh, adios.
That's it. That's all it is.
हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, जीवन एक खूबसूरत सा संगीत है, उसमें सुर सजाते रहिए. Be take care of your pets. I don't care if you take care of your neighbors or not anymore. मैं बहुत बार बोल के थक चुका हूँ. I'm pretty sure you don't, but please take care of your pets.
Absolutely. And yes, Radha ji, yes, be always happy. And thank you, Radha ji, for tuning in.
Absolutely.
That's right. As I say every week, hashtag never down, hashtag always up, hashtag can't stop, won't stop, no matter
इतने
what.
सारे hashtag किधर गए?
Yeah, yep. I know. This hashtag, that hashtag. Hashtag Namaste Radio. Let's have a great...
Hashtag Namaste Radio Houston.
That's right.
Hashtag Dole.
Hashtag enjoy your vacation, Papu. So, wherever they...
Hashtag see you soon.
Hashtag see you soon.
Yeah.
Hashtag...
Beach.
Where did you say it was? Czechoslovakia? Where
Czechoslovakia.
Okay.
Now it's called Czech Republic, by the way.
Czech Republic.
If that's easy to remember.
Right. Yeah.
That's
He's over
easier,
there.
yeah.
Hope to see him soon, someday. Maybe, how about at the end of the year, finally we reveal.
अभी मुझे भी नहीं, अब उसको मालूम पड़ा कि week after next वो आ रहा है ना, तो आएगा.
जैसे क्रिसमस में जीसस आते हैं ना, वैसे क्रिसमस के आसपास पप्पू भी आएगा. So guys, this was our show today. We had a lot of fun. Hope y'all had fun. Please give us your feedback. आपको अच्छा लगा, बुरा लगा, कुछ बात अगर हमने ऊपर नीचे कही तो भैया माफ करिएगा. लेकिन हम माफी नहीं है. हम सारी नहीं है. हम सारी नहीं है, सारी हमसे सारी है. But नहीं, ये मस्ती चलती रहती है. Thank you so much. And from our side, thank you. And yes, Daddy, hope you get your gift. I hope so too, Daddy.
Hope you get your gift.
Daddy मेरी तरफ है संदीप.
दादी ये तो गलत बात है दादी. ऐसे समझाया करो.
I'm going to eat somewhere else for lunch. I'm not going home.
दादी इसके समझाओ, मेरा बर्थडे का गिफ्ट मुझे चाहिए.
दादी भाई दूज का भी नहीं दिया इसने.
Have a great weekend, everybody.
Namaste.
Bye.
Every Saturday at 10 a.m. on 99.5 FM with your hosts, Vanchika, Sushil, and Sandeep. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available